Hello, good evening everyone, and to our lecturer, Second. We are Group 3 for Customs and Forwarding assignment. For today's presentation, our group would like to present to you guys about taxation system for Toyota industry in Malaysia. Okay, next. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce myself first. I am Johannes Anasaman, and this is Akmal Yanik, Asli Jetius, Abdul Hakim, Nur Hasnira, and Sri Nur Aisha. Okay. For the contents of our presentation for today, we have introduction about the tax, company background, tax exemption, list of import document, SWOT analysis, and freight forwarder. Last but not least, summary. For introduction, before I start the presentation, my name is Johannes. I will present about the introduction of our assignment, Toyota Industry. This group assignment, we are needed to identify the factors of any tax exemption for Toyota components in Malaysia. Tax exemption policies are often used as a tool to encourage investment and economic growth. Malaysian government has suggested that all tax on a few imported Toyota components be exempted. It means that every components or every parts, especially the spare parts for Toyota, such as the tire, the steering, air conditioning, electronics, every part of Toyota car that we import from other country come into our country. It is actually imposed by tax, but not all of the parts. It is only a certain parts that impose tax, and the other is being exempted from the tax. Okay, next. Okay, that is all from me for the introduction. For the next slide, I will pass it to my friend. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Asli Jetius. Today I will present about company background of Toyota Company. Toyota Company is established in August 1937 and headquartered in Toyota City, Aichi, Japan. It is the large market share in both America and Europe. This is Toyota history. Toyota is a Japanese multinational automotive manufacturer and founded by Kichiro Toyota. In 2017, Toyota corporate structure consisted of 364,455 employees worldwide, and as of September 2018 was the sixth largest company in the world by revenue. It produced bicycles under 5
Okay, good evening to my old friend and second. My name is Akmal Yanik. Today I will present for my topic is raw material and tax exemption. First, we have this brake. This brake the trade from the China, and this certificate of origin from China. This is example their document lah. And next we have brake pads. This also from China, and this example for certificate of origin for brake pad. And then we have battery. This battery they came from and they create from India. This is example the certificate of origin. And this radiator, this also from India. This is example of certificate of origin. And this year we have both spark plug. This create and made from German, but the certificate they use in European Union certificate. And then this continental tire, I think this also from German. And then they use same certificate, European Union. Okay, this is all from me, and thank you.
Hi, my name is Srina Aisha, and today I'm gonna present about the documentation of import. So there are 5 documents that are need for process of import. So first is bill of lading, commercial invoice, packing list, certificate of origin, and custom forms. So these 5 documents is used to help buyer and seller in making a business transaction, usually between 2 different countries. And also this all documentation is to help custom authority to use the information to determine whether it is can enter or leave a country. So number 1 is bill of lading. Bill of lading is also known as BL, which it will specify the kind, amount, and location of the item being transported by the courier. So BL is usually issued by a carrier, which is a transportation company, to a shipper. And bill of lading is also function as a shipping receipt. Number 2 is commercial invoice. Commercial invoice usually provided by the shipper that contain all the detail regarding the goods being delivered. The information can include such as the description of the goods, their value, and the shipper's contact information. And the document number 3 is packing list. Packing list is included each package content that are listed on the packing list, such as boxes or platelets. The packing list will include all the specified list of the item in each package, as well as the goods weight and measurement. And number 4 is certificate of origin. Certificate of origin, or commonly known as COO, is a documentation that used to declaring goods in which country is manufactured. So in this COO, it will disclose all the information about the goods are being carried, and such as the goods country of origin, their destination, and their exporting country. Last, custom forms that are included K1 and K2. So custom form K1 is used for the import, and K2 is used for the export. So custom form is the document that will list all the description in full detail of the goods that are extended for the import or export. Usually the shipper will submit the custom form upon the country border, upon arrival or departure. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nur Hasmira. So I will present the SWOT analysis of Toyota company. So the first is strength of Toyota company, strong market position and brand recognition. Toyota company holds the market share in North America, Asia, Europe, and in the Chinese market. Okay, the next one is strong focus on R&D. Toyota company make and effort of R&D, which is they developing new products and processes and improving the capabilities of their production. So the next one, extensive production and distribution network. Toyota produce automobiles and related parts of components through more than 50 manufacturing companies in 27 countries worldwide. And we move to the weakness of Toyota company. Product recalls could affect brand image. In 2011, Toyota recalled 111,000 models of Toyota and Lexus brands vehicles due to the damage to elements of the substrate and potential shutdown of the hybrid system. So the next one, declining sales in key geographic segments. This Toyota company have declined sales across North America, Asia, Europe, and other geographic regions. Okay, so poor allocation of resources as compared to peers. Toyota has low return on equity and return on asset, which means Toyota have competitors such as Honda Motor and Nissan Motor. They have more allocation of resources when compared to Toyota. For the opportunities, Toyota company have growing global automotive industry. As you can see, in the worldwide, automotive industry have huge scope rather than any industry. So the Toyota poised to benefit from growing partnership with BMW. In this case, in June 2012, BMW and Toyota signed a memorandum of understanding aimed at long-term strategic collaboration on technological fields. Okay, so the next one, strong outlook for the global new car market. Okay, we go to the threats. Toyota company have intense competition because of in Malaysia we can see many automotive industry such as Honda, BMW, Lexus. So the threats for Toyota company is they need to compete with other car industry. So next one, appreciating Japanese yen, a major concern. Toyota is sensitive to the fluctuations in foreign currency exchange rates. So the next one, natural disaster could impact production structure. Toyota company production is subject to disruption of natural disasters such as earthquake, floods, and among others. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Abdul Hakim bin Al-Hamid. Now I want to present and tell about freight forwarder about Toyota companies. First, freight forwarder, an agency who act on behalf of importer, exporter, or other companies to organize the safe, efficient, and cost-effective transportation of goods. Okay, first to the point, range of service. range of service, tracking inland transport, and preparation of shipping and export document. Second, how this work, act as an intermediary between a shipper and various transportation service such as ocean shipping on cargo ship, and second, tracking. 3. Freight forwarder and common carrier. This is have a 2 point. Freight forwarder and common carrier. For freight forwarder, does not own any vessel and function as a principal carrier. Next, form common carrier. Common carrier to person and firm that engage in business. Second, transporting, carrying of good or passengers. Last is a role of freight forwarder. Undertake the process of movement of goods through various stages. And second, assist freight costs and other costs of international forwarding. Last is summary to this company. First, Toyota ensure oversight and governance of tax matter through internal review and approval procedure. Second, Toyota is committed to educating its employees on complying with its tax policy through training. And last, value tax transparency by actively strengthening tax governance.